So welcome to Alpha Online Education. Today it is the chapter number 11 or unit number 11. So the topic of this unit UNO, United Nations Organization, in Telugu Aikyya Rajya Samiti. United Nations Organization in Telugu Aikyya Rajya Samiti. So before this, the small 2 marks question side, the South Asian Association for Regional Coordination, BRICS. So the membership countries in these BRICS, the membership countries in SAARC, and also the NAM, and also these are all in 2 marks. I explain these short abbreviations next class. So it is a very important topic of you. The name of this topic is United Nations Organization or UNO. United Nations Organization or UNO. So after Second World War, so First World War, when it's 1914 to 1918, First World War, and Second World War 1939 to 1945, it is Second World War. The First World War is in the year 1914 to 1918. The Second World War 1939 to 1945. So after Second World War, before United Nations Organization, Nana Ghata Samiti, the founder of that Samiti is Woodrow Wilson. So the Nana Ghata Samiti is failure, and then after First World War, the Winston Churchill, Roosevelt, Stalin. So one is American president, he is Roosevelt, the Stalin, Russia, and also the Winston Churchill, Britain. These two are mixed in Dumbarton Oak. They compose the United Nations Organization and its structure. Okay? So the Roosevelt, Stalin, Churchill. So one is American president and American Russian president, the Prime Minister of Britain. So these three are meet and discuss in Dumbarton Oak. It is the one of the place, and they fix the composition and the structures of United Nations Organization. So at the time of Second World War, they compose the structure and composition of United Nations Organization. Okay, so the UNO starts in the year of 1945, October 24th. So very important confirmation date of United Nations Organization. It is 1945, October 24th. It is the day, birth date of United Nations Organization. UNO birth date 1945, October 24th. So what the aim of this United Nations Organization? So International Peace Weaponless Society. So actually at the time of Second World War, so the atom bombs, the atom bombs are all started at the time of Second World War. The America used his atom bomb Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So at the time, the technology is not high. So the two world wars is completed. We do not want any third world war. So no country willing the war of third. So two is completed. Two world wars is completed. At the time of Second World War, the intellectuals are sit and they compose one organization, that is United Nations organization. So the aim of this United organization, so the United Nations organization wants international peace and it wants weaponless society. Weaponless society. The wars are not actually, these oppose the wars. The United Nations organization oppose the wars. So always think about the international peace, think about the weaponless society. So the meaning of this and the chapters of United Nations organization, the very important 2 marks question of all second year students. 3 articles, 19 chapters in United Nations organization. So the chapters 3 articles, 19 chapters in United Nations organization side. So at the time of United Nations organization composition time, only 15 countries take their membership. India is in that one. So 50 countries, when the United Nations organization established in 1945 October 24, at the time India is not independent one. The India is in the hands of Britain. So the India, before independence, India takes membership. India takes membership in United Nations organization. At the time of starting 50 membership countries, now present 193 countries, membership countries in United Nations organization. So one down for your side. So 193 membership countries, approximately my expectation in worldwide 500 plus countries. So only 193 countries take their membership in United Nations organization. So which country is taken membership in United Nations organization? That country is a recognized country. That country is a recognized country. గుర్తింపు పొందిన దేశం అవుతుంది యూఎన్ లో సభ్యత్వం తీసుకుంటే. ఇప్పటికి కూడా some countries are actually small countries in the hands of big country. So once upon a time Soviet Socialist Russia. So now present not Soviet Socialist Russia. So once upon a time small countries in the hands of United Socialist Soviet Russia. So some countries get independence and they join in United Nations organization. Now present once upon a time the Palau, it is 192 country. It is once upon a time the Palau is in hands of United States of America and it gets independence and it takes membership in United Nations organization. అట్లా ప్రపంచంలో అనేక దేశాలు ఇంకా యుఎన్ఓలో చేరలేదు. యుఎన్ఓలో చేరిన దేశానికే ప్రపంచ స్థాయిలో గుర్తింపు ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో నౌ present how many countries in United Nations you sign? The 193 countries take their membership in United Nations organization. So the first composition, the aim of United Nations organization, the chapters of United Nations organization, the membership at the time of establishment, only 50 members state their membership in United Nations organization side. Now present 193 countries take their membership in United Nations organization. So the United Nations organization present General Secretary Antonio Guterres. Guterres is the present General Secretary of United Nations organization. So first United Nations organization General Secretary at the time of 1945, Tripoli, he belongs to Norway. So now present the Antonio Guterres is General Secretary of United Nations organization. The head office of UNO is Geneva. It is in United States of America. The head office of United Nations organization is Geneva. The Geneva is in United States of America. Okay. So present General Secretary of United Nations organization is Antonio Guterres. Okay. So here the most important question of all second year students, the organs of United Nations organization. The organs of United Nations organization. So here 6 organs. One is General Assembly, and the second one is Security Council, and the third one is Economic and Social Council. The fourth one is Trusteeship Council. The fifth one is International Court of Justice. The sixth one is Secretariat. These 6 are organs of United Nations organization. Yes, the first one is General Assembly. First one is General Assembly. So just like it is Parliament of United Nations organization. General Assembly means General Assembly is equal to Parliament. So all 193 members are attend the meeting of General Assembly. Every state side 5 representatives of concerned country. So the 193 membership countries are members in General Assembly. So at the time of General Assembly meeting, 193 countries representatives. Every country promote 5 representatives. Every country 5 representatives to the side of General Assembly. So all matters are discussed in General Assembly. So the budget is considered by General Assembly. General Assembly elects the General Secretary of United Nations organization. Only the security matters are not discussed in General Assembly meetings. So all other matters are discussed at the time of meeting of General Assembly. Only the security matters are not discussed in General Assembly. So security matters are in control of Security Council. So every state have 5 representatives. At the time of voting, only 1 representative uses his vote. Other 4 are not use their vote. Voting choice one man side. Only 1 man uses vote. At the time of any complicated issue అయినప్పుడు ప్రతి దేశం నుంచి ఎన్నికైన 5 పంపించబడిన 5 లో ఒక వ్యక్తి మాత్రమే ఓట్ చేస్తారు. మిగతా 4 do not vote. If any confidential, if any controversial matter, if any controversial issues, at the time these 5 members know only 1 member use his vote. Okay? But any controversial, not confidential, any controversy, ఏదైనా ఒక అంశం మీద వివాదం వచ్చినప్పుడు ఈ 5 మెంబర్స్ లో ఒక మెంబర్ మాత్రమే యూజ్ ఇస్. సో ఆల్ So the Security Council. So just like the Security Council is the heart of United Nations Organization. The Security Council is heart of United Nations Organization. ఒక రకంగా చెప్పాలంటే ఇది ఒక గుండెకాయ లాంటిది. So 5 permanent members of countries. Those 5: USA, UK, Russia, China, France. So these 5 countries are permanent membership countries. These countries have veto power. So how many permanent members are actually 15 membership countries. So 5 permanent membership countries. Those 5: USA, UK, Russia, China, France. These countries are permanent membership countries. These countries have veto power. So very important annual examination 2 marks question. Which countries have veto power? Only ask veto. Veto means these 5 countries are permanent countries. What is the meaning of veto? If any matter at the time 5 countries acceptation is most important. When one country do not accept that bill is not moved. Any bill, the 5 countries consideration is important. A bill meeda only security matters matrame. So all matters are discussed in General Assembly. Only security matters do not discuss in this Security Council. So the 5 permanent membership consideration is important if any item of controversy. If one country do not accept that at the time, that matter is not moved. So that power is called veto power. Okay? So the veto power only how many countries sign? 5 countries sign. The very important annual examination question. Veto power at the time you write the 5 countries name: United Kingdom, United States of America, France, Russia, China. Okay, and other 10 members. So Asia side 2, Europa countries 2. So the 1 year purpose or 2 years purpose. After 2 years other country, South Asia, Europa countries. So 10. And then for all the United Nations Organization secretary also choose in Security Council. The Security Council choose who is the Secretary General of United States of America. United Nations Organization. It chooses. Okay, if the 5 countries do not accept it, he is not in Secretary General sir. Okay, so just like it is how all security matters are discussed is in Security Council sir. Okay, and Economic and Social Council. So it creates 54 membership countries in this side. The Economic and Social Council. Only the 54 membership countries membership in this side, and also they try to social and economic equality. These 50 membership countries, these 54 members, they the aim of this is to create social and economic equality in membership countries. And then the Trusteeship Council. So just like it try to ఒక పెద్ద కంట్రీ కింద చిన్న దేశాలు ఉన్నాయి మైండ్ ఒక స్మాల్ కంట్రీని బిగ్ కంట్రీ ఆక్యుపై చేసింది. సో ఇట్ వాంట్స్ ఇండిపెండెంట్. ఆ స్మాల్ కంట్రీ కూడా వాంట్స్ ఇండిపెండెంట్. ఎట్ ద టైమ్ ద ట్రస్టీషిప్ కౌన్సిల్ గివ్స్ సపోర్ట్ టు దట్ స్మాల్ కంట్రీ అండ్ ఇట్ గెట్స్ ఇట్ ట్రైస్ అంటే అది స్వతంత్రం పొందడానికి ఈ ట్రస్టీషిప్ కౌన్సిల్ కోఆపరేట్ చేస్తుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ కోఆపరేట్ టు స్మాల్ కంట్రీస్ when they want independent. At the time they take advices and they take suggestions of the trusteeship council it gives. Okay, and then the International Court of Justice, it is in Hague, the Netherlands. It is in Hague. So the Netherlands. So the International Court of Justice. So the 15 judges is inside. Okay, so the head office of this, the very important 2 marks question, International Court of Justice. Okay, so it is in Netherlands, the Hague. So actually it tried to the 193 membership countries in United Nations organization. If any legal issue, one country to other country, at the time the International Court of Justice give judgment. అంటే 193 దేశాల్లో కనుక ఏ దేశం అయితే 193 మెంబర్షిప్ కంట్రీస్లో ఈ ఒక కంట్రీకి ఇంకో కంట్రీ లీగల్ ఇష్యూ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇట్ గివ్ హిస్ ఫైనల్. అండ్ దెన్ ద సెక్రటేరియట్. సో ద జనరల్ సెక్రటరీ ఈజ్ హెడ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ సెక్రటేరియట్. సో నౌ Antonio Guterres is the general secretary of United Nations organization. The staff of these 8,900 members in these secretariat side, just like the all works are in secretariat. These are 6, these 5. Only the International Court of Justice is in not secretariat side. It is in Netherlands, The Hague, and all other 4 part in secretariat. So now present the United Nations organization is not independent one. So the United Nations organization now present total in hands of United States of America. So the America provides budget of United Nations organization. The America dominates the UNO now present. So the which country do not release fund to the purpose of United Nations organization. Only the America released funds to the purpose of development of United Nations organization. The Secretary General, who decides the Secretary General of United Nations organization, the America decides. So the UNO head office is in United States of America. So the UN head office, so the secretary main part, the choosing time, the key role, whose role is key role, the United States of America role is key role. So now present the United Nations organization, it do not help so now present it is only one organization ka maatrame. Okay, so this is the topic of all second year students. I explain next class what is SAR, what is BRICS, what is NAM. Okay, so it is the last topic of all second year students. Okay.